Namaskar, dear friends. I am Kaushik Soni as a chemistry teacher. My last video already that you have watched, it is about the type of solutions. There are two types of solutions. Okay, one is ideal solution, non-ideal solutions. What is difference between ideal solution, non-ideal solution? Everything that we will discuss in my this last video. This is video 9. Now in this video 10 we discuss about some basic points. First, azeotrope. What is minimum boiling point, maximum boiling point, colligative property and relating of vapor pressures. So first, azeotrope. So what is the meaning of azeotrope? Azeotrope, it is some mixture. In this mixture, two different liquids are there. Two different liquids means individual liquid having the difference, the boiling point. But such mixture having same composition in liquid and vapor phase and boil at constant temperature, they are called azeotropes. So in a azeotrope, it is a mixture of different liquids, and you cannot separate the individual liquid from this mixture by distillations, because this mixture is distilled at constant temperature. I'll give you an example. This is your suppose rectified spirit, that means 95% alcohol, 5% water. Here alcohol, water both having difference the boiling point. But if you mix in this mixture, if you boil it, boil it at constant temperature. So it is one example of the azeotropes. Now there are two types of azeotrope: minimum boiling azeotrope and maximum boiling azeotrope. Minimum boiling azeotrope, that means the solution which show large positive deviation from Raoult's law. That means it is about non-ideal solutions. Non-ideal solutions, that means it does not obey the Raoult's law. So here, if your azeotrope is the minimum boiling azeotrope, so it shows large positive deviation from Raoult's law. Here example, mixture of ethanol and water, it is a minimum azeotrope. Opposite, maximum boiling azeotrope. The solution which show large negative deviation from Raoult's law, it is known as a maximum boiling azeotrope. Which is your maximum boiling azeotrope? So first, it is an example of aqueous solution of nitric acids. Here 68% nitric acid, 32% water. Both are different, but this mixture, these solutions, it will boil at a constant temperature, and this temperature is 393.5 Kelvin. And this mixture, it shows large negative deviation from the Raoult's law. It is known as the maximum boiling azeotropes. Now, so azeotrope, maximum boiling azeotrope, minimum boiling azeotrope, maximum boiling azeotrope, and now colligative property. The colligative property is the property of such solution. Property of such solutions which depends on number of solid particles and irrespective of their nature. So this type of property is known as a colligative property. So जो थी ना colligative property, तो some property of liquid, it is depends on number of solid particles. If difference the solution, but number of particles are same, so this property are also identical. Clear? So see here, which is your colligative property. So there are four types of colligative properties. First example, relative lowering in vapor pressures. You are familiar with vapor pressure, but relative lowering in vapor pressures. Okay. So what is relative lowering vapor pressure? It is a one property of liquid. Detail we discuss after this. Second, depression of freezing point, that is delta Tm. Third point, elevation of boiling point, delta Tb. And last, osmotic pressures. These are